Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with the lesson 7 algebra. Today we will do exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Write the numerical coefficient of each term of the following. See, here you can see the algebraic expression 5x cube minus 7x square plus 11. Here you have to find out the numerical coefficient. Students, you have to find out the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means the numbers. See here, first consider this term 5x cube. Here the numerical coefficient in 5x cube is 5. Similarly, numerical coefficient of minus 7x square is minus 7. And the numerical coefficient in 11 is 11. Now come to second part. 6x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 2x plus 7. Here the numerical coefficient in 6x raised to power 4 is 6. Numerical coefficient in 5x cube is 5. Numerical coefficient in minus 2x is minus 2. And numerical coefficient of 7 is 7. Question number 2. Write down the terms of following algebraic expressions. See here, first question is 2x minus 3y. Here there are two terms. One term is 2x and another term is minus 3y. Question number 2, ax square minus bx minus c. Here there are three terms. First one is ax square, second one is minus bx, third one is minus c. Now question number 3, write the coefficient of x. See students, here the algebraic expression is 6x cube minus 5x square plus 8x. You can see here 8x. So here coefficient of x is 8. So my answer is 8. Now in second part, the algebraic expression is 2x square y plus 4xy plus 6y square. You have to write down the coefficient of x. The term containing x is this, that is 4xy. So coefficient of x is 4y. Come to question number 3, minus 3xy plus 4x square plus 6. Here the term containing x is minus 3xy. So coefficient of x is minus 3y. Question number 4, evaluate. 2a plus 3b minus c. If a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. Students, in place of a, you have to put the value 3. In place of b, you have to put the value minus 4. And in place of c, you have to put the value minus 2. And 2, here no sign is here. It means multiply sign is here. So 2 into a, that is 2 into 3. Now I'll solve this. See here. See, it is 2 into a, that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 4. The value of b is minus 4. So I'll write 3 into minus 4. Minus c. So c, value of c is minus 2. This minus is for this minus, and c, here value of c is minus 2. Now students, first of all, let us revise the sign rule once again. Then we will solve this. All of you know this, I know, but let us revise once again. See here, plus into plus is, if two plus sign are there, then it is plus. Plus into plus is plus. That is, suppose 2 plus 2 into plus 3. That is 2 into 3 is 6. That is plus 6. Okay. That it means plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. Secondly, plus into minus is minus. If it is plus 2 into minus 3, then the answer will be minus 6. Plus into minus is minus. And same ways, minus into plus is also minus. And 2 minus means minus into minus is plus. Suppose it is minus 2 into minus 3. It will be plus 6. 2 minus sign will become a plus sign. So revise once again. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. And minus into minus is plus. Now come back to the question part. Here 2 into a. A is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 4 is 12. Minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 2. So now you can see 6 minus 12 plus 2. Now solve this. here it is no sign means plus sign. So plus 6 minus 12. If we have to operate the two numbers, have one having plus sign and one having minus sign, then you have to subtract the numbers. If two minus sign are there, then you have to add the numbers. If one minus sign and one plus sign is there, then you have to subtract the numbers. And if two plus sign are there, then also you have to add the numbers. Now here one sign is plus, one sign is minus. It means you will subtract the numbers. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. The sign will come, the number which is having the greater value. Here 12 is having the greater value. So this 12 is having minus sign, so minus sign will come. Now minus 6 plus 2. Again we are having two numbers, one having minus and one having plus. So again we will subtract it. 6 minus 2 is 4. Sign will come 6. 6 is greater number and 6 is having the minus sign. So sign will come minus 4. Now come to the second part. Students, I will not do all the parts. You will do it yourself. So listen it very carefully. Second part is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here the value of a is minus 1, value of b is 2 and value of c is 3. Now let us solve this. See, a cube, value of a is 1. So you will write it here minus 1 cube. Now b cube. So value of b is 2. You will write 2 cube plus c cube. Now minus 3, a is minus 1, b is 2 and c is 3. Now solve this. Here cube means you have to multiply 1 3 times. It means, see, I am doing in the rough column here, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1, again 1 into 1 is 1. 2 minus, minus sign minus minus, plus and plus minus minus. Okay. So it is minus 1. Now you will write minus 1. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. And then here 2 minus sign is here. It will become plus. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 6 threes are 18. Okay, now solve this. Minus 1 plus 8 is, you will subtract this and sign will come of plus. Plus 7 plus 27 plus 18, which is 52. So my answer is 52. Now one more part. Fourth part. 5 plus a square plus ab minus 9c. Here you will write 5. A square means 5 square plus ab. 5 into 4 minus 9c, that is 9 into 0. Now here it is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 4 is 20. 9 minus 0, 9 into 0 is 0. Now you will add up all this. 5 plus 25 is 30 and 30 plus 20 is 50. So my answer is 50. Now fifth part, fifth question, identify the like terms. Students, like terms means the terms having the same algebraic factors. See here it is x square y, then x y square x and xy. Here you can see x y square. This x y square and y square x means the same. Multiply, you can differ it, like 2 into 3 is 3 into 2. So here also xy square is there and here also xy square is there. So these two terms, that is xy square and y square x, are the like terms. Here into x square y square minus 3x square y cube 4x. You can see here x square and x square. It is minus 3x square. You will not consider the constant part and you will not consider the sign also. You have to just see the factors, algebraic factors. See here x square and here also x square. So x square and minus 3x square are the like terms. Similarly, in third part, 5a, 6ab, AC and 1 by 3 AC. You can see here AC and 1 by 3 AC. AC and CA means the same. So this minus AC and 1 by 3 CA. These two terms are the like terms. Now you will complete exercise 7.3. All the questions you will do. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.